Today we are upgrading our stock battery in my 2010 limited 4Runner. This video applies to all 5th gen 4Runners and it can be used as a reference in all applications. You will need the following: an Odyssey Group 34 battery. I picked this battery due to the high reliability ratings given in the overlanding community. A Group 34 battery spacer. Since this battery is smaller than a stock battery, this spacer gives it the height required to reach the terminals without modifications. Anti-corrosion washers. A 10mm deep socket wrench that we all know is impossible to find. So I grabbed my universal socket wrench. It has small metal bars within it, and when it's pressed down over a nut or bolt, it contours to it. A small wrench and gloves to protect yourself from the poisonous lead within batteries. You first remove the black terminal or negative terminal to close the electrical loop, preventing you from getting shocked. Then the red or positive terminal. Before you remove the old battery, ensure both positive and negative connections are clear. Be aware that the battery is roughly 50 pounds. Retrieve the J-clamps. Before placing your new Odyssey battery, install the battery spacer onto the bottom prior to installation. This makes it easier to install. Make sure that the red or positive terminal is on the left. This is the reason why we buy the Group 34R battery. The R stands for reverse terminal positions, which is a requirement on the 4Runner. Install the J-clamps, ensuring that the shorter one is installed by the terminal end. This next part is the reason why you need anti-corrosion washers. The washers prevent corrosion from affecting your connection and sticking. In this case, there were no washers, so it took a while to remove them. This old interstate battery is from Costco. It's a cheap alternative if you don't plan on adding any accessories to your rig. But this one was installed in 2014, and a few times I would come back to my rig and it wouldn't start. Odyssey batteries have a lifespan up to 10 years with proper care, which is double the lifespan of this Costco battery. Now install the anti-corrosion washers, putting black on the negative terminal and red on the positive terminal. Now install the battery connectors and connect the positive or red terminal first. You do this because if you were to connect the black or negative terminal first, you will get shocked. So to be on the safe side, connect the red terminal first. Lastly, tighten all bolts and start up your rig. It may turn off after a few seconds. Just start it up again and you will be good to go.